Hello guys, welcome back. I'm back with a new recipe. This time it's a paneer recipe, and this is totally different from the regular dishes that you would have had. So do check it out. Ingredients list is in the description box below. So for more such paneer recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Let's jump right in. So to begin with, we need to prepare a masala for which I've got some curd in here. Along with it, we need pudina or mint leaves and coriander leaves, garlic, ginger, cashew, green chilies, lime juice, some poppy seeds or khaskhas, and a little bit of coconut. We're going to process all this in the mixie into a smooth paste. I've cut the paneer into 1-inch cubes and I've marinated it in some ginger juice and salt and kept it aside. Now in a pan, I've heated some oil and butter on medium-low flame and added some whole spices to it. I've used cardamom, cloves and cinnamon in this recipe. I'm going to let the spices give out their aroma. Once that's done, I'm adding in finely chopped onions, which I'm going to saute until they start to change color slightly. Once the onions have started to change color, we'll add in the next set of ingredients, which is the mixture which we prepared with curd and the rest of the ingredients. Now add this, making sure that the flame is on low. Now mix this masala and cook it for say 2 to 5 minutes until all the raw smell of the ginger, garlic and the leaves go away and the oil starts oozing out. So I've let it cook for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add salt to taste and a little bit of sugar. Adding the sugar is totally optional, so if you don't want to, you don't need to add sugar. So I'm going to just mix everything together. And then add some hot water to adjust the consistency. Mix well again. And then we'll let this cook for some time, bringing it to a boil and allow the gravy to thicken. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook. Meanwhile, in a bowl I've taken some gram flour, salt to taste and a little bit of baking soda. I'm going to add water to this and prepare a nice pakoda batter. We have to make sure the batter is nice and smooth and thick enough to cover the paneer. So I'm using a fork to beat it nicely. Once the batter is ready, we'll keep it aside and heat a pan with some oil on medium high. I'm going to shallow fry the paneer. So I'm going to dip the paneer in the batter, cover it nicely with the batter and then add it to the pan and fry them. So I'm opting for shallow frying like I said earlier. You can also deep fry. So I'm going to arrange the paneer onto the pan one by one. And then cook it nicely from both sides. So once the paneer is cooked from one side, we'll just flip it and let it cook from the other side as well until it becomes nice and golden brown and crispy. Now my gravy is thickened and it's ready. All that is left to do is to add the paneer pieces to the gravy. Mix it well. You can add a little bit of hot water if necessary to adjust the consistency. Let this cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. It started boiling. Just cook it for 1 to 2 minutes and your paneer gravy, paneer pakoda korma is ready. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.